In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Facebook page to your Wix website. Having a social media presence integrated into your website is essential in today's digital age. It allows your visitors to connect with your brand more seamlessly and helps you expand your audience. Whether you're running a small business, promoting a personal blog, or managing a creative portfolio, integrating your Facebook page into your Wix site is an excellent way to drive engagement and provide visitors with easy access to your social media content. So, let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the Wix website editor. If you're not already logged in, simply sign into your Wix account. Once you're in, open the specific site you want to edit. This is where we'll be making the magic happen. Next, look for the Settings option in the sidebar or drop-down menu. This is your control panel for customizing many aspects of your site. Clicking on Settings will open up a range of options for you to work with. Here's where we'll start focusing on social integration. Now, from the Settings menu, select the option labeled Social Share. This section is where Wix allows you to manage how your site connects with various social media platforms. It's a central place to make sure your audience can engage with you on platforms like Facebook. Once you're in the Social Share section, you'll see a field where you can paste your Facebook profile URL. This is the link to your Facebook page, so go ahead and copy your page's full URL from your browser's address bar and paste it into the designated field on Wix. It's important to double-check that the URL is correct. Any typos or missing characters could result in your Facebook page not being properly linked to your website. After that, it's time to add some visual elements to your site. Locate the plus icon, which allows you to add new elements to your website. Clicking this will bring up a menu of options for adding content and design features to your page. From this menu, select the Social option. This category is specifically for integrating social media features, and it's designed to make the process simple and intuitive. Within the Social section, choose the Facebook option. This is where Wix provides a variety of tools and widgets specifically tailored for Facebook integration. By selecting this, you'll be able to add a dynamic Facebook element to your website. You'll now be able to preview the available templates for Facebook elements. Wix offers a variety of designs, so take your time to scroll through and find one that matches the aesthetic and functionality of your website. These templates are customizable and designed to fit seamlessly into your existing layout. Once you've found a template you like, click on it to select it. This will add the Facebook element to your website. You can adjust its position size and other visual aspects to make sure it fits perfectly with the rest of your design. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. Saving ensures that all the work you've just done is applied to your live site. Without this step, your integration won't be visible to visitors, so it's crucial not to skip it. And that's it. You've successfully added your Facebook page to your Wix website. By following these steps, you've made it easier for your audience to connect with you on social media, helping you grow your brand and engage with your audience more effectively. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.